Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you in need of a little extra storage and organization, maybe for your bedside or in your living room? I have found the most adorable end table by SOOWERY, and I love this so much. It's a super cute mid-century modern style end table. I actually am using it in my living room, and it goes so perfectly with my mid-century modern style couch. Of course, this would be also perfect to use as a nightstand, a bedside table. I really appreciate that it's not only really nice looking, but it's extremely functional. First of all, it has a little drawer that opens up like a cabinet door, so you can store things in there. I love that glass detail, so you can kind of see what's in there, but it's a little muted. Installation was pretty simple. It came with all of the tools that you needed, and it only took maybe about 20 minutes to put together. I appreciate that it has two shelves. It has the top shelf and then it has a shelf below that. So again, even though it is a small end table, it has a lot of room for storage. So you're able to decorate it however you like. You're able to use that for actual storage and keep yourself nice and neat and organized. Maybe the most exciting feature of this is the fact that it has a charging station. So it has two outlets and then it also has two USB charging ports. This is just incredibly convenient. The lamp that we have on top of it right now, we do have plugged into a surge protector, but I love that you have the option to plug it right into this stand itself. So if you are using a device that needs to be charged, you don't even have to think twice about it. You can just plug it right in and sit right next to this end table and you are good to go. This is such an adorable and convenient end table. I think that you're gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.